Welcome to Lydia's Plate. I'm a stay-at-home mom who is homesteading together with my husband and 4 kids. We do gardening, house cleaning, all the homesteading stuff, baking bread, experimenting with gluten-free foods for one of our kids, animals, and the like. So if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned and welcome to our channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Lydia's Plate. Today I'd like to show you a new recipe I found. We've had it a couple times and it is so easy and delicious. It's made with chicken, so if your family loves chicken, maybe they'll like this one too. And if you don't like the dill that gets sprinkled on top, you can simply not do that. Alright, so I don't know if your house is ever like this, but sometimes before I can get started on making supper, I have to clean up the workspace again. While I'm doing this, the boys are cleaning out the dishwasher, so you may see them moving around me or me moving around them. We packaged our chicken breasts into packages of 8, and they were smaller chicken breasts, so I'm going to do 2 packages because I wanted to make sure that I have leftovers. And they're also still half frozen, but no big deal. I'm just going to break them apart and try to spread them out on a single layer as best as possible. Now that that's done and my hands are clean, I'm going to get going on the sauce here. The recipe will be in the description box below, but it's really simple. So I need a cup of sour cream, a package of onion soup mix, a can of mushroom soup, and some lemon juice and some dill to go on top. And of course we need some salt and pepper. Today I'm serving this chicken with rice, but we have also had it with mashed potatoes or hash brown casserole, and it's been really good with all those things. So as usual, after making supper, there are always a couple dishes. Now that the boys have the dishwasher all cleaned out, I can start loading them in, and there we go, that is it. There was not a whole lot to it. I hope you guys like this recipe as much as we have. It is quickly becoming a family favorite, and I hope that it helps you out. I love it already. It is so quick and simple and very few dishes. I'm just going to give it a stir here so you can kind of see what it looks like. but that chicken was so moist and fall apart tender. It was so good. I'll give you a snapshot here at the end yet of what my plate looks like after I've made it, and I hope this recipe works for you as well. Of course, as always, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. And I look forward to being able to bring you more meal ideas to put on your plate next time. Bye, guys!